Are you looking for the best printers for college students? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best printers for college students on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. HP OfficeJet Pro 9025E. The best printer for college students we've tested is the HP OfficeJet Pro 9025E. This all-in-one inkjet model has Wi-Fi, USB, and Ethernet connectivity, and it can also print directly from a USB flash drive. It produces incredibly sharp documents, prints quickly at up to 16 black or 14 color pages per minute, and supports automatic duplex printing. The ink cartridges yield a large number of prints and are relatively cheap, so you don't need to worry about high running costs. Also, it comes with 6 months of ink via HP Instant Ink, HP's ink replenishment service. The main downside is that while the scanner has an automatic feeder with single-pass duplex scanning, its lid hinges can't extend to accommodate thicker items like textbooks, and the scan quality isn't that great. If you're a teacher and need to print in bulk for your students, get the Epson EcoTank ET3850 instead, the best printer for teachers we've tested. Its ink tank yields significantly more prints, making it easier and cheaper to maintain. However, there are a couple of trade-offs, like its slower printing speeds and the lack of duplex scanning and external storage support. Its print quality is slightly worse than the HP's but still great overall. Number 2. HP OfficeJet Pro 9025E. If you have simpler needs and want a more modest mid-range model, the Brother MFC J4335DW is one of the best printers for students we've tested. It connects via Wi-Fi or USB and supports Apple AirPrint and more pre-print service. You can also use the companion app to print, scan, and copy from your smartphone. It doesn't take long to wake from sleep and prints quickly at 17 black or 15 color pages per minute. Its ink cartridges yield a large number of prints, which means it'll require less maintenance, making it cheaper to maintain. The scanner processes up to 20 pages per minute through the feeder but doesn't support double-sided scanning. Number 3. Canon PIXMA MG3620. If you need something cheap that can get the job done for those occasional projects, get the Canon PIXMA MG3620. It isn't super sturdy and lacks an automatic feeder, but it prints good quality documents and photos. The main drawback of a cheap model like this is its low page yield. It only yields about 200 black or color prints, meaning you'll have to replace them often, and since it uses a tricolor cartridge, you'll have to replace it even if just one color runs out. The cartridges aren't expensive, but your maintenance cost will still add up quickly if you print a lot. All this to say that this printer is only a good option if you print occasionally. Otherwise, you're better off with the slightly more expensive Brother MFC J1205W because you'll likely save money in the long run. Number 4. Brother HLL2350DW. Our budget monochrome pick is the Brother HLL2350DW. A variant of the Brother HLL2325DW we tested. The HLL2325DW is also a good option, it's just a little hard to find due to low availability. Like our pick above, this monochrome laser model produces high-quality documents, but it's a print-only unit, meaning it doesn't have a scanner. It still feels very well built despite its low price. And thanks to its high page yield, you won't need to spend too much to maintain it. The HLL2325DW has the usual Wi-Fi and USB connectivity and is compatible with Brother's mobile companion app, which you can use to print or perform maintenance tasks right from your smartphone. Overall, it's a good printer that you can get for cheap. You just need to make sure you won't need to scan anything in the future.